Hi friends, welcome to Outbuzz. It's a journey vlog within Satpura National Park and it is with some naturalist and guide. We are going to find out a hidden waterfall and we started our searching in Satpura buffer zones a part. It's called Jamani Dev, Jamani Dev buffer, and there we started walking and we get this stream and we know they have a hidden waterfall through informations by local, and as you can see it's not that much easy to go through this waterine terrain because it is sandstone, and because of water flow sometimes it is very risky because water is not that much clean, so it is not visible in underside, and every one of us was worried how to cross this way.
इधर से चल सकते हैं ना? हाँ?
Then somehow
इधर से चल सकता है,
we
एक ट्रैक दिख
find
रहा है
it a route to cross, and it's a amazing landscape. If you see the place here, you can find several types of flora like small herbs, shrubs, and so many species of trees, and many of them are herbal medicinal plants, so it is very important ecosystem also. Several types of diseases are curable through this herbal medicinal system, as previously we used this medicinal system in Ayurveda, but nowadays many of these informations are not available or we forgotten many of them. You can also find Indian giant squirrel, that is the main logo of forest department of Satpura Tiger Reserve, and also you can find flying squirrel, that is I haven't seen till yet, but it exists in this area. And bird species is so various type of birds you can find here, more than 250 species of birds you can find here, and so many species of butterfly, dragonfly, and insects plays a very important role in our ecosystem,
कैमरा है
so insect is also a favorite subject for me to study them. Oh, Dipankar finded his way and he crossed it. At starting of monsoon you can see a very amazing display of firefly. Yes, display of firefly in near small streams and near some water body, in specific some trees you can find them. They play a sequential display of their light. Oh, after some time trekking we were about to reach our destination, that small waterfall is called Hathi Door.
नहीं
Now we was able to see the water, and then we also started walking towards the fall. It's an amazing feeling when we reach here. All of us was very much excited to see this water flow falls from edge of this rock, because this waterfall flows only in this monsoon time, not other time. That's why. Oh, it is amazing, really it is amazing. It's an amazing experience to trek here and find this waterfall. And after that you can also see some khirni tree at both of this side of this waterfall. It's not reaped yet properly, but it is edible and it is sweet in taste. So
हाँ
it's an amazing place.
अभी पानी का प्रेशर ज़्यादा है ना.
And after this we started taking some pictures and videos for our Instagram also. And it is totally different experience when we treks in monsoon, because we find several species of herbal medicinal plants. Like you can see this, it's jungli haldi, and this is ground star, and also various species of mushrooms also you can find like this, and several small plants who are hosting plants for butterflies, and this type of small flowers, some attractive mushrooms. This is so huge mushroom. Thanks for watching this video. Please like and subscribe our channel for more contents.